Hey, hello guys. So there are too many queries like students are asking about how to e-sign their LOA and how to upload there. So because that LOA document is PDF and you need to sign that document and like then upload that document. So the first question is that how we can edit that PDF. So there is simple method. We can just convert that PDF file into Word file and then we will add that our sign in that particular Word document and then we will convert that Word into PDF also. So this is the first way. The second way is that how to like e-sign your LOA and like sign your LOA and upload there. So second way is that just simply print out that LOA document, sign properly with your pen and put your name, date, and then again like scan that copy that scan that document using your phone or any scanning device and then upload that in your portal. So this using these two like way you can do this. So for e-sign what we will do is that first we will need to download that LOA. Then after downloading we will just convert that LOA into Word and then we will put our PDF signature there. So here this is one way. Another way is that just directly there is one website, free website you can go, that is a small PDF. In this website you can also convert PDF to Word. You can see that here this is a conversion of PDF to Word. And another is that edit PDF. So if you want to convert that PDF to Word, then open that file in Words and like put there, it's okay. Otherwise just simply click edit PDF and after like it will ask for your file. So just click here and choose where is your LOA. So this is LOA, so I will select here and you can see that this Word will be like this document will be open here. You can easily see that. And here I need to like insert signature here, right? Signature here, just go here, image, in image and just select your signature. So for signature what you can do is that just do signature on any notebook and take photos of snap of that signature and take that signature in your laptop and here add. So here my document is that, let me see, check my signature, right? So my signature is here. So this is my signature. I will place it here and then after I will decrease the size. So you can see that here I have put properly my signature and then after I need to insert my name. So for name I will use T and I will put it here. So I will use MD, whatever your name you can write. Then after we need to like select date. So same we can use T again and put it here and write. So today is 17, so we will use 17/7/2021. So use 0 here, it will like be more clear. So here we have done with that. And now what we need to do is that we need to simply download this LOA. So here you have button, just click on here, it will go and download that PDF. Just when you will open, you can see that your LOA document is e-signed and with signature. So it's very simple, you can do this one. And another way is that what I told you is that just simply come here. There are many other website also, like, so first I will convert that PDF into Word. So here click here, PDF to Word, choose here your PDF file. So my PDF file is here. So what it will do is that it will convert this PDF to Word and then I will open that convert to Word, just choose here. So it will give option to download. So I will download this Word. So download this LOA. You can see that this LOA is downloaded into Word. So just click here, it will open that document into Word file. So you can see that same here we have open in Word. So same at the time we open there and just so same process, just insert your signature here, click here, select your signature. So where is my signature? Let's document, Words, resume, Zafar, and this is my. So here just I will put my signature. Then after I need to put here my name. Directly leave, I will let MD Zafar Alam. Let's increase the size little bit. And then after put date. So today is 17/07/2021. So just increase little bit size, right? So simple, created. Just now convert this Word into PDF again and upload. So go in save as and here you can select PDF. So here you can select PDF, put a name, LOA converted, LOA with e-sign, just simply save anywhere, whatever, whenever you want, and just here I will save. So you can see that this document is saved. So let me open this document. You can see that LOA with e-sign, just click here, it will open in PDF file. You can easily say that yeah, sign is ready. So this is a simple two-way you can go for that. A simple otherwise is that just download this LOA and print it out and then sign your properly with your pen and then again scan and then put upload. You can upload. So these are the way you can do this one. So let's meet in another video. So before ending this video, I have one request. So if you want to share your experiences, right, you have cleared that assessment, online assessment, after that you have cleared technical interview and like you got selected for Accenture. So if you want to share this experiences with others or with your juniors, seniors, like, so we as a Fox Tech Academy is going to provide you a platform where you can do this one. So for this, what you need to do is that we will give you like link of this Google form in description. What you need to do is that just you need to fill this form and we will call you or we will send you invitation link. Using that invitation link you can join a meeting and we will like then ask you some questions related to like your experiences and we will upload them in YouTube so that other student will get like benefits from this. So I will share this in description, you can find it from there. Thank you so much.